In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Maps as a desktop app. If you use Google Maps a lot, you probably keep it open in a browser tab, and it can easily get lost among everything else you're working on. Turning it into a desktop app makes it feel more like a standalone program. It gets its own window, its own icon, and it's easier to find and reopen later. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set that up using your web browser, and I'll share a few tips along the way. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This process works especially well in modern browsers that support installing sites as apps, like Chrome, Edge, or other Chromium-based browsers. Once your browser is open, go to the Google Maps website by typing Google Maps into the address bar and pressing Enter, then clicking on the official result, or by typing the Maps address directly if you already know it. Wait for the Google Maps page to fully load, and make sure you're seeing the regular Maps interface with the search bar, map view, and options. Next, we're going to turn this website into an app. Look toward the top right corner of your browser window for the menu icon, usually represented by 3 dots. Click this menu to open the list of options. In that list, find the option that says something like Install this site as an app, or Create Shortcut, depending on your browser. In most modern versions, you'll see wording that clearly mentions installing the site as an app. Click that option. A small pop-up window should now appear, asking you to confirm the name of the app. By default, it should say Google Maps. You can keep that name or change it to something you prefer, like Maps or My Maps. After you're happy with the name, confirm by clicking the Install or Create button. Your browser will now create the desktop app for Google Maps. In a moment, a new window will open that looks like Google Maps, but without the usual browser tabs and address bar. This is your new desktop app version. You can pin it to your taskbar, dock, or start menu just like any other app, making it quicker to access in the future. From now on, whenever you want to use Google Maps, you can open it directly from this app instead of hunting through browser tabs. It keeps things more organized and gives you a more focused Maps experience right from your desktop.